shop. If you all haven't seen the previous video where I reveal this shop to you all, this is the new shop that we're gonna be working out of. I've got something special for you all today. It's gonna be a garage mod, basically. I did one of these years ago in my old garage, and guys, we're back again doing another one. I have a few boxes back here that we're gonna be unboxing. I'm not gonna tell you all what it is quite yet, but stay tuned and, well, let's get into today's video. All right, guys, here we go. Guys, we're doing a floor transformation. These are the new diamond floor mats meant for cars. So basically you spill something on them, all you gotta do is wash them right off. So we're gonna be placing these starting from the front, working our way back. We have 48 of them. So let's get into this install, and I'm excited to see how they turn out. I went with the dark gray. Let me know what y'all think about the dark gray down in the comments below, but let's get started. Alright guys, so the camera died while I was putting the mat together. So I'm getting in the E90 now. Hopefully everything's good. No. Ah, that's hot. That ground is hot, hot, hot. But we have been having a little bit of a leak issue for some reason. I don't know why. And now I don't even remember where I put the keys. Shoot. Oh, they're in my hand. Anyways. So guys, we're gonna see if this fits. It's not the biggest right now as far as the size of the mat. I might be ordering another one, we'll see. Gosh, it's hot as hell in here. But we will find out here shortly. We've got a little bit of a ticking for some reason. I don't know what the noise is, but we've got a little bit of a ticking. It just needs to get serviced. But let's go ahead and bring it back into the garage and see if it fits on the mat or not, if I need to order another pair. I probably will order another set either way, but we're gonna find out here in 3, 2, 1. All right guys, well, it kind of fits. So we are going to be ordering another set of 48 of these. Both tires are on, so it fits width-wise. Now we just need to fit length, and then we'll be all set. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this. I know it's not the usual. I want to say thank you to this company for sending these out. It was a big help. I'll put the link on Amazon where I got them. These things are very simple to put together, and they're lightweight. So guys, if you all have a garage and you all are looking for something to put your car on, put your tools on, put anything on really, this is an all type material. This is plastic, but it's very strong plastic. So guys, check them out. It's worth the investment, I promise. In the long run, it's very worth the investment. So guys, without further ado, so guys, that's the end of the video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.